Hey Arm, what you doing there? What you doing there, Arm?
I don't know. I'm just doing it, bro.
I mean, you never know what you're doing, right?
I'm just going with the flow. I'm just going with the flow, bro.
Rob, does he ever know what he's doing?
I'm not gonna answer that.
Good question, bro.
He barely even painted this car.
Alright guys, today we're gonna...
What are we gonna do, Arm? I didn't even make an intro. We're just getting right into it.
Doing the trim black.
Yeah.
Trim black. All at once.
There goes the trim. So Armand right now is taking off.
Touch anything plastic on this car.
Seriously, it'll break.
There's already $8,000 of plastic.
Rob broke like 10 things. So yeah, Armand is taking off all the trims from around the car. Well, not all the trims, but these are gonna stay on the car. But we're gonna get them painted so it can look refreshed. Because as you can tell, the paint looks brand new, and then these trims and shit, they look shitty. Why are you standing there looking at it like that, Arm?
Nothing. Just something you said.
What? What did I say?
As you can tell.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up. I know, but what the fuck else am I gonna say?
I know. As you can tell.
What synonyms are there for that?
I'm thinking of, I don't know.
As you can see, as you can tell.
As your eyes
Bro,
can
don't worry
see.
about it. They're fucking hating now.
Armand just hating because there was more runs on Armand's car than there was on this car. So yeah, we're gonna get all the trims off, scuff them up, and paint them. We also have to paint these side moldings right here because those are gonna be black. Oh yeah, the mirrors have to be painted black as well because they're all just old and faded. Obviously, it's like a 30-year-old freaking car. We're also gonna be painting these chrome rings around the headlights just so they look black and they'll match everything around the car. We're not going to be painting these trims on the bumpers because the trims themselves are already brand new, so there's really no point. So in this video you'll also see us basically reassemble the entire car because there would be no point for me to make another video on it. So we'll probably not do it today, but we'll do it another day. We'll get the entire car reassembled, and then you'll shut the fuck up. Armand is gonna move his car out the way so I can get my car out of here because we want to do like all the painting and stuff inside. So let's get that done. Yeah.
I got scared for
That shit barely did it though.
I got scared. I thought it was clutch because the wheel wasn't spinning. It's automatic.
Alright, the entire car is all masked up so there won't be any overspray on it. Armand is just scuffing up all the pillars and stuff now, all the trim. And you just saw us in the last clip scuff up the rest of the trim and parts over there. He's gonna go ahead and paint this first because it's getting dark outside, and then he's gonna move inside and paint all those parts over there. Don't mind the song in the background. Alright guys, so in that last clip you saw us get all the trims and stuff painted up. As you can tell, these look much better than before. If you guys remember, they were like all just faded and stuff. They look like faded black. They look pretty shitty, but now they're looking like brand new. We just got to clean up these windows and stuff because they're still dirty, filthy. They got a little bit of overspray on there as well, but that's nothing we can't clean up. And we also went ahead and painted all the trims, like the front headlight grills, the bumper grills, the trims that go under the window, these headlight bezels and everything. So these are all painted up, and also the trim around the doors are all painted up as well, so everything looks fresh. Now what we have to do is start throwing those back onto the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these cars out the way and get the E34 parked over here so we can start working on it. So I went ahead and pulled the car here. I'm gonna leave it outside for now because Armand's gonna be painting a couple more trim pieces that we forgot to paint, like the chromes that go around the window. So he's gonna be doing that inside while I start piecing this thing back together outside. So I'm gonna start off by putting these new tail lights on. I don't think we showed you guys, but we got all clear tail lights. The original ones, this top part is like orange. So these look 100 times better. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on. This should like really set off the rear end for this car. Guys, just check out how good these damn tail lights look. Right on? These just look fire. Yeah. These things look so good. The light is kind of throwing it off because it's making the car look like pinkish or orangish, but these things look so much better than those stupid orange ones, and they all work perfectly. The only reason that blinker is blinking fast is because the front blinkers and stuff aren't on yet. But yeah, these things look really good. Now it's time to move on to the next thing. So I went ahead and threw the emblem and the little license plate lights down here, and also the license plate and this nice spoiler as well. Oh yeah, and these side moldings, the original ones had like small lights right here, but these are the Euro ones and they are OEM. So that made a huge difference. This middle piece right here we had broken, so we went ahead and ordered a new one. That should be here in a couple days, and that should finally finish off the rear end for this car. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the front end of the car. So we got to get this front bumper off of here to assemble like all the little grills and fog lights and stuff on there from behind. And basically we're just gonna assemble the entire front end. Well guys, this is what the new front end looks like. Armand went ahead and got new corner lights. It's got a new front lip. It's got Euro trim. Like I said, the back is also like that. It doesn't have the side markers anymore. And he also went ahead and changed this middle piece right here where it just says BMW. There's no more like holes or anything in there. This front end is looking really good now. Alright guys, so in that last clip you saw us throw on these brand new door handle covers, OEM, with new seals also all around. We also went ahead and put this gas door back on there with a new hinge, so that works really well as well. So the only things left to do are to put these seals that go around the windows, or the trim that go around the windows, because if you remember we had painted those up yesterday and we had to let them dry. They're just sitting right here, so we had to put those on. And then I told you guys we've been waiting for this rear trim piece right here, which that came in today, so I can finally put that on right now, brand new and OEM as well. So the rear end will finally be finished as soon as I throw this on there. And then I just have to throw the door panels in, because the door panels are off, since you have to take the panels off in order to get these mirrors off. So yeah, I'm basically gonna finish up the car today, hopefully. The only thing that would be left to do is these little lights right here, but that won't be in for another few days. I'll just go ahead and throw that on off camera anyway. So all we gotta do is throw this trim back on, trim around the windows, door panels, finally put the mirrors back on for good, and then throw this rear trim on. So let me set you guys up on time lapse and get all of that finally done. Alright guys, we got all the trim and everything installed back onto the car. Went ahead and threw this rear trim on. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark outside, but everything's looking really good. We threw these door moldings on. We threw the window seals and trim back on. We also went ahead and threw a brand new seal around the sunroof, so that's looking good again. But yeah, it's basically complete. What do you have to say for yourself, Harm?
Nothing, bro. I'm proud of myself.
You're proud of yourself?
I am.
Put some
I'm
respect
proud of
on
you. I'm proud of him.
Just cheer.
Oh, it looks good.
You're proud of him even though he hated the whole time, Harm?
Yeah. Alright.
That's what makes it better.
We need
That's
people
what
like
makes
this,
it
you know?
better.
You know, we need people like this, you know?
But yeah guys, this is basically what it looks like. This is basically the final product. There's still a couple little things left to do, like exhaust and stuff like that, but you guys will see that in the next video. And we'll also get it like really cleaned up because the wheels and stuff like that are all still dirty, so. And the whole car is dirty.
This was basically a $600 chump change that became a $10,000.
Yeah. Well, by the way, this car costs 600 bucks. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next video where we completely finish up this car and broke my f***ing back, Harm. As I was saying, stay tuned for the next video where we finally finish this car up and get it all clean. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.